So for today, we will be learning the Newton-Raphson method, which can approximate the zeros of the function. Suppose you have an f of x, then there is a, which is an element of the domain of f. Assume that the point a f of a has a derivative which has a slope of f prime of a. Then we can start generalizing the equation of the tangent line. From here, we can solve for the unknown constant of the linear equation. After that, plug it back into the actual equation. Since the very idea of this method is to find the zero of the tangent line, instead of the function, we will need to equate the line to zero. After some algebraic manipulations, we will find the exact formula for this method. So for this method to work, you will need to pick a number that is extremely close to the desired zero of the function. Then after some iteration, we can say that as the iteration approaches infinity, you will eventually reach z, which is the input that satisfies f of z equals 0. So there you go, thanks for watching.